What is BigQuery? Let me gonna tell you. So BigQuery is one of the modern data warehouse platform. What is this one, sir? It is one of the modern data warehouse or a data analytics platform. Okay, so it is a serverless platform, guys. So if you ask me, so usually what happens, let me gonna tell you guys so that we will come back here. For example, take a simple application. So Flipkart application, let us take. Most of the time I'll be taking a Flipkart application only. Assume that you have a Flipkart application. Usually what happens is that Flipkart is supported by some backend database. So you can think of our backend database now as a Cloud SQL, MySQL, you can think. Some backend database, Cloud SQL, MySQL instance you have created. So the data is now from the Flipkart to be stored in the Cloud SQL backend database. So this is how. Whenever a one person is trying to interact with an application, the Flipkart application, what usually happens is that that data is going to be stored into the backend database, that is Cloud SQL, MySQL. Okay, so that is going to be stored in the Cloud SQL, MySQL, guys. So this is how we have seen what is Cloud SQL, MySQL. But if this particular company, Flipkart, if they wanted to understand their business, okay, if they wanted to understand their business, what was the sales, how the customer behavior is there, what was the quarterly sales, half yearly sales, how to increase the sales. If they wanted to understand their entire details about the application or a business, they need to have a analytics platform. So such kind of analytics platform is our BigQuery, guys. So BigQuery is one of the analytics platform, or you can think of a data warehouse. So you can consider it as a transactional DB. This is a transactional DB, nothing but a transactional database. So where daily transactions are going to be stored. Okay, BigQuery, what is BigQuery, sir? It is a data warehouse. So what is this one, sir? It is a data warehouse. So it is acting as a data warehouse. These data warehouses comes up with a built-in query engine, which is capable of running the data or analysis with the help of the SQL. Okay, so this is what it is, guys. So what is Flipkart? Flipkart is your application that is getting the data generated with help of the multiple people using this one. Whatever the data that is generated is going to be stored in the Cloud SQL, MySQL transactional database, and that data we are moving it to the data warehouse for the analysis purpose. What is the main purpose here? We wanted to do the analysis. What we are trying to do here? We are trying to do the analysis here.